Hydro Grip Primer just to lock in everything and to give me some glow and moisture to my face since it's going to be super cold weather. Then going into my Kosas concealer, and I'm not going to be using any foundation. I'm just going to be using straight concealer because I feel like foundation is really going to dry my face out in the winter. On my brows, I'm just using my Benefit brow gel. Nothing too snazzy, but I want to keep it natural.
Days of staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't want some
eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Kiss Me Heroine Japanese eyeliner. This is my holy grail just because I know it won't budge, and if any water hits it, it's totally waterproof. And just look how precious, like, that precision is of the eyeliner. So you could have left it just with the wing, but I like to add a little more dramatic to my eye, so I'm just going to do the full liner. And then I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow stick and then just lining the bottom of my waterline just so it makes my eyes look a little bigger and brighter. And I love how the glitter just pops on this.
It's about time that I get up.
And then using my Makeup by Mario blush. This is the key essential to the It's Cold makeup because you definitely want to look cold. So I'm going to be putting a really good amount of blush on and then just blending it all over my cheeks and my nose as well.
Trying to be such a wise man like you have been. I've been trying.
And there we have it. Don't I look a little chilly? And I'm just going to be adding a little extra. So this is the She Glam Freckle, I guess, pen. And this is how I use it. So I just put up a couple of dabs on my cheek. And then as a stamp, I just use my finger to make a pattern of freckles. And you can put as much as you want. I'm going overload in this. So it's going to look very natural.
Where have you been? Out drinking, I mean hanging out with some friends, and I'm on the way to the pub. Your bedroom stinks. You were supposed to do the dishes. Damn, you're such a jinx. Whether this is fair the fishes, if I ever get the
knowing me, I like to go a little extra, so I'm going to be using the Velour lashes. These are in the names Sinful, and I'm going to be using my Duo eyelash glue to set it in.
I've been trying to be such a wise man like you have been. I've been trying.
Look at the difference in this. And then to wrap it all up, I'm going to be using the DIOR Lip Glow chapstick. I love how sheer this is, but look at the color. It just pops up so much later, and definitely hydrating for the winter. And that is my look.
Now I miss one of his goodnight kisses, and today I'm standing at your grave, crying out again. Ever since you left, I've been trying